Hey, I'm nationwide ERISA disability attorney Nancy Cavey. I represent folks across the United States. I love to travel, I love to meet my clients, and I love to help them get their benefits resolved. And today I'm in upstate New York at FDR's home. I've taken the day off for myself because I'm a history buff and I've always wanted to come here. I am often asked whether or not there are limits on how long a person can get their ERISA disability benefits, and the answer is, of course, there are. I start out by answering this question by saying, let's look at your policy. Let's see if there are any limitations on any medical conditions that you have that would limit your benefits. Historically, there is a mental nervous limitation of 2 years. Sometimes there's a subjective medical limitation of 2 years. And I know, of course, that there's always this change between the definition of your own occupation and any occupation. Now, that's not necessarily a limit, but carriers will treat it as a limit because they will start looking at reasons to deny the claim and cut off benefits. Generally, when you look at your policy, you'll see something called a deck sheet, and that will say how long you're eligible for benefits. And sometimes that can be a fixed date, or sometimes it can be to the age of retirement. Now, that can depend on your date of birth as to when the age of retirement is. So that could mean 65, that could mean 67, and that can mean a lot of difference to you, so you need to understand that. You also may be fortunate enough to have a policy that pays for life if you're totally disabled. So again, you've got to look at that policy. There are even some older policies that say at age 70 you can continue the coverage with reduced benefits generally, so long as you're working at least 30 hours per week. So it depends on your policy. If you have any questions about your policy, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.